All recruitment.
No,
Then
still advertisement. Still advertisement.
advertisement, you want that advertisement should be staged.
With regards to the
Health assistant, they are the petitioners, Lordship.
Tomorrow. Yes,
My lord, I have one mention, item number 4.
item number 4.
Oh,
Yeah,
I am for the petitioner, your honor, just petitioner has instructed me to withdraw the case.
you have instructions too?
Petitioner instruction, I am for the petitioner,
Yeah, so what do you want?
withdrawal.
This is the IA number. Item number 4 is the IA.
Yes, your honor,
What about this? You want to withdraw this IA? Okay, look here. Then concept of the petitioner submits that he wants to withdraw the IA number so and so so and so. Dismissed as withdrawn. Yes.
oblige.
Your Lordship, I'd like to mention on item number 6.
Item number 6. Yeah.
Yeah, Your Lordship, this matter may be adjourned for today because
Steps for service upon the respondent number 4, 5, 7, and as they are taken.
we have already taken steps.
That is the office report says something else. Give me the file. Item number 6, na? Yeah.
This, my lord, item number 6.
Steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4, 5, 7, and 8 not yet taken.
Yes. Even, my lord, the requisite copy has not been served to also, my lord. There's another problem.
Take these steps. With the report, yesterday's report. देखिए, as per the office report in item number 6, as per the office report, the concept for the petitioner has not taken any steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4, 5, 7, and 8. To stop. Then a concept for the petitioner is granted a week's time to take requisite steps. In the meantime, he may also furnish the copy of the writ petition, the copy of the PIL petition along with requisite documents to the respective counsels who are appearing for the other respondents. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? PIL is basically
Collection of the garbage and all.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, usually in Itanagar, there's twin city, Itanagar and Nahalagan, around solid waste is around 102.5 tons are collected. And liquid waste is around 35.68 tons are daily collected.
Right.
But then there is no even treatment plan. The 2 treatment plan has been allocated as per them, as per the, but it is not functioning.
It's not functioning.
Yes, my lord. And that is one. And another is that there are different locations. There is no any dustbin installations. There is no separation of biodegradable and non-biodegradable liquid and the solid waste. Nothing is in a place.
Filed an affidavit that they are following the guidelines of the solid waste management and all.
Yes, they have filed, but then if you see the present situation, your lordship might have seen on capital also. Dustbin is the waste is scattered in the road in everywhere, riverside. But this is the situation, my lord.
Yes. What is your response to this? Who is appearing for the Itanagar Municipal Corporation?
Your Lordship.
Yeah. Last occasion,
My lord,
this court has directed you in April. Learned counsel, further we get instructions with regard to the whether an affidavit required to file and reply this rejoinder affidavit. You are required to file any affidavit? Rejoinder affidavit they have already filed,
no, my lord.
in which they have raised certain concern that you are not following this guidelines of the solid waste management.
My lord.
And this collection of garbage is not regular
My
in
lord.
the Itanagar as well as this Naharlagun. So what do you want to say?
My lord, to be fair, my lord, to some extent there, this submission is fair, my lord, because incinerator is also not working. Of course, we cannot make a wrong submission here, my lord. And this PIL is regarding this an issue that affects me and everyone, and even your lordship. So, and we have gone through this also, prayer part also. The prayer, all the prayers that they have made before
Okay.
your lordship, we cannot deny it,
Fine.
my lord.
So now what is your response? How
My-
you are responding to it?
My response is, my lord, we are trying our best, my lord, and the solid and waste liquid generated per day at Itanagar Municipal Corporation, my lord, it is given in our this reply phase number 6, my lord. So in Itanagar, it is solid waste management approx 27.90 tons and liquid 9.99 this milliliter per day, my lord. Million liter per day, my lord. So, and of course, liquid waste management treatment plant, my lord. We are still working on it. And solid waste management plant. That also we are working on. And one incinerator that we have constructed, my lord, installed, that is not functioning, my lord.
Why?
My lord, that is obsolete and we are not getting spare parts now, my lord. The spare parts and all.
So by what time you'll be able to set up this solid waste management plan?
Solid waste management. My lord, that part,
Without establishing that, you'll not be able to handle the garbage.
my lord.
What about the dustbins in the city?
Dustbin, I have been informed there were dustbin, but people leave it away, my lord.
People
Leave it away, my lord. That's the problem. People take it away, my lord.
make some arrangements, either to place them in the concrete, some
Ma-
setup or
My
whatever,
lord-
maybe that
my
can't
lord-
be, you can't take excuse, people will certainly.
My lord, yes, yes, my-
Certainly, people will take it away.
My lord, my lord. My position is very, very, this awkward, my lord, here, because in one part, the prayers they have made, I cannot dispute even a single prayer here. And again, I am not in,
Are you sure? Do you have the instruction?
my lord, actually they have. filed
It
it.
appears that you are submitting on your own knowledge,
My, lord, no,
not
it-
from the
it-
instruction.
It is here, my lord,
No, that has been filed long time back. What's
Yes, my
happening?
lord.
my lord.
And as per your judicial order dated
Yes.
22/11 to the 3, some status report was supposed to be placed, my lord, but they
That
have
is
not
right.
been placed.
What steps you have taken? What steps you have taken?
My lord,
You just cannot
My lord,
live
my lord.
like this.
my lord, then give me opportunity so that I can take this,
Sir, whether these rules and bylaws were published in the official gazette or not.
no, my lord, but
Why?
that has not been published, my lord.
What is the reason, sir? It is 22nd of November 2023 and we are approaching November again.
My lord.
Almost 10 months have passed. What you have done, sir?
We will ensure that, my lord.
What ensure? When you are going to publish these bylaws?
My lord, give me 3 weeks time. I will
Sure.
publish it, my lord.
And what about this setting up of a solid waste management
My lord, that part I will have to take instruction, my lord. Timeline I cannot give, but publication of that rules, my lord, I can give this.
देखिए,
my-
on 22nd of November 2023, this court has observed that an additional affidavit by the state authorities. This court has observed that the additional affidavit filed on behalf of the state has not disclosed whether the draft notification or rule bylaws has been published in the official gazette or not. Full stop. It is also not disclosed by the state authorities that whether there is an actual implementation of solid waste management on the ground. This court has granted time to the additional senior government advocate to place the status report before this court on the next date. Again, the matter was listed on 29/4/2024. However, it appears that the required affidavit has not been, however, it appears that though the required affidavit has not been filed by the state. Stop. In such circumstances, we direct the counsel for the respondents to file an affidavit explaining that why the bylaws, rules/bylaws has not been published in the official gazette, and also indicating that by what time the authorities such as Itanagar Municipal Corporation, etc., are going to set up a solid waste management treatment plan in the for the Itanagar and for the twin cities of Itanagar and Naharlagun, and also to give a timeline that by what time the garbage collection, dust bins, etc., would be placed at the suitable places in both the in the twin towns. Full stop. At the request of the learned counsel for the respondent, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes, item number 2.
Two.
Still you are insisting for resigning.
Lordship, yes.
In fact, you resigned for the purpose of contesting the assembly elections.
Lordship, there is a writ petition also. I am the appellant here, the state. Lordship.
You are appellant here.
Yes, Lordship.
So
This is, I think, second or third time, Lordship.
nobody is appearing on behalf of.
Otherwise, Lordship, it may be admitted for hearing, Lordship.
It appears that since last so many occasions, nobody is appearing on behalf of the respondents. Nobody is appearing on behalf of the sole respondent. Stop. Readings are complete, hence the matter be listed for hearing in due course. Interim order passed by this court on which date?
Lordship, 27 to 2024.
On 27th of
27 February, Lordship.
27th of February 2024.
Lord.
27th of February 2024 in IAC number 35 AP 2024 is made absolute till the final decision of the litigation.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. My lord, before my learned friend Mr. Dilip is there online, in a very lighter vein, whenever I am in Guwahati, he'll be here.
He was
Not,
here.
yeah, he'll be here. Today I have seen he
I'm
is
sorry.
online and I
sorry.
am here. I told once that what is this? Why you don't come? Once I was there. I said, you have come.
Both of you are both of you are in Guwahati.
My lord, I would have loved to go there, but
Don't mind, my lord.
That is your.
Actually,
as per your convenience.
this matter was handled by Mr. Pawan Tiwari. He was he's not well, Mr. Pawan Tiwari. So evening time, there a request which was made. I came for some other purpose, one matter. A request was made by one of the council, my learned friend, to appear in this case. I have gone through this entire in the morning, but I find that it requires some time to look into more into this matter. So if it is not inconvenient to your lordship plus my learned
Mr.
friend, Miss-
Tiwari is from Guwahati only.
yes, he is Pawan Tiwari, my lord. He's from
Yeah, yeah,
Guwahati.
Okay. We can.
He actually he can't move. That's the whole problem. He said there is some medical problem. He's in
So-
Guwahati.
You do
Yes.
one application, both of you, on the judicial, this administrative side, and I'll fix it at Guwahati.
Well, absolutely no problem. It's
My
up
lord,
to your
my
lordship.
lord, my lord, my lord, my humble submission will be, your lordship is sitting there, we are fortunate, your lordship can pass an oral order, and based on that, the matter can be transferred to Guwahati, my lord. There is an urgency in the matter, number one. Number two, my lord, the Honorable Supreme Court has passed an order directing the disposal of the case.
Since the Supreme Court has already.
That's
ordered-
time limit. I
Lordship,
have-
lordship may transfer the
that
matter,
time
next
limit-
week we'll argue it in Guwahati,
That
my
time
lord.
limit is 38th of September.
My
2
lord, lordship
months-
may kindly,
30th.
lordship may kindly transfer it to
30th of
Guwahati, my lord.
September, 2 months will be 30th of
2
September.
months.
2 months.
Lordship may
I-
transfer it to Guwahati, my lord.
Just
One
just a. It's order, I think so, time limit is.
Earliest 16th of July.
Of September.
July. So we
29th of
received-
September.
See, within 2 months of date of receipt production of the copy of the order. So it's,
Production was made on 29th of July, my lord. So 2 months will
Yeah, yeah,
expire on 29th of September.
I'm also representing State Election Commission here.
Sir,
It's not reflected in the cost list. So I did not bring the file.
no.
But so far, Lordship, so far transfer is concerned, as a senior counsel from this bar, I oppose.
No, for that, because the Supreme Court has already ordered for this,
Lord.
that it should be decided within 2 months.
My
But
lord.
since both the concerns are appearing from the Guwahati, therefore I feel it convenient, otherwise, again, it would be adjourned.
My lord,
Because
my
for
lord.
on some pretext or other pretexts, since the concerns are.
Lordship may
appearing from
kindly
Guwahati.
pass the order.
That
Well, I'll be
is-
deeply
That
obliged.
is what my concern is, or nothing else. Otherwise, if you want, I will. I'm
well,
not-
there is, actually, I have seen. My learned friend is saying there is an urgency of this matter. In fact, there is a letter, because there is they are saying that we are defectors, but there is a letter which is issued by the district president of BJP that they have written to the state, saying that no, this should be resolved and we should be again taken back.
What-
That's-
they only-
My lord, the
Yes.
deputy commissioner has
Yes.
already,
Just a minute,
Yes.
just a minute, sir, what we have discussed also.
Yes,
The only question is whether the person who has voluntarily resigned
yes,
my lord.
from the membership, once
My
it is, he has resigned,
yes,
then the subsequent development, he again
Yes.
requested for, inclusion in the party and or whatever it may be.
yes.
My lord,
Whether
my-
that amounts to defection or not.
That's
Yes,
right.
that is
That's-
the only thing.
Yes, you're
Yes,
right.
yes,
Absolutely
my lord.
correct. Because what
Lord-
there's a two judgment. One is Amar Singh.
My lord,
and
my
Amar Singh
humble
and
prayer is
Vishwanath.
lordship may kindly transfer it
One
to
second, Mr.
Guwahati.
Dilip,
matter can be
one
taken.
second, one second. You will get it.
Please, just a minute.
Yes, my lord, there is one judgment of Amar Singh, one judgment of Vishwanath. Now that these two judgment, we are not saying that Vishwanath is a bad law, or we are not saying, but what it has been referred to a larger bench. This particular judgment is referred to a
No,
larger
no,
bench.
no, 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 my lord.
No,
No, that is
no.
not a correct submission, my lord. That is not a correct
Please,
submission.
Dilip, why you are getting excited?
Just a
Please,
minute.
I'm
I'm
please,
sorry,
you,
madam.
you are so excessive experience and why you are getting, my lord is
I'm sorry.
asking something, I'm given a I think it's. So
Definitely,
this is
definitely.
what they went before, that's so it referred. Because what I have seen, the judgment of Amar Singh, where the learned counsel senior Hari Salve appeared, this case, this will be a dangerous proposition. Because the party, we don't know about a party decision taking to throw out a person.
That's a different thing.
Yes,
That
Truth-
if a person is expelled from the party and he has not joined any.
Right,
political
right,
party,
correct.
He has not joined any other party, then certainly it may be as per the Vishwanath judgment that he would be treated as a member of that party.
Yes.
Or unattached member, but he
Right,
would
absolutely.
remain, but he would remain as a member of that party.
But now,
That is what.
correct.
that is
Your
what
lordship is
Vishwanath
right.
has said.
Right.
Just a minute. Here, there is a slight difference that even though the president of the BJP or whatever the party they belongs to he has written a letter to this say that we have expelled them from party.
Yes,
Suppose if a person is not expelled and he himself has resigned from the party,
yes.
whether he that position in that position whether would be treated as a defector or not.
Absolutely, your lordship is bang on this point. Right, that's the issue. Once you expel, whether that's amount of disqualification.
Expelled is
No,
not
one
a
second. My lord, expel is something else
or
because
voluntary
here,
resignation
yes,
from the
now the
party.
resignation, what happens? I joined BJP. I got a ticket from BJP. I win from BJP. Thereafter, what they have expelled me for some other reason, they have anti-party activities, they have thrown me out. I joined another party. I joined another party.
Then the defection would be complete.
Right,
That's
right. That's our whole case, my lord.
Here, if a person voluntarily resigned from that party,
Yes.
being a public representative elected from that party, whether that amounts to
That
defection or
tantamounts, whether that tantamounts to disqualification or not. That's
defection,
defectors, whether he's a defectors or not.
defector.
That's the whole issue that your lordship has to look into that aspect of the matter.
If we, even though if we, this leave aside the expulsion incident or whatever it may be, then also what would be?
Hello, may I just come in madam, for a minute, madam?
Yes, yes.
My lord, here is a case where my lord expulsion order and their subsequent intention to come back to the party are absolutely irrelevant. What is relevant is by their conduct, whether they have voluntarily given up the party on the basis of whose ticket they have been elected. That is the question. My lord, the Supreme Court.
Even though,
My-
just a minute.
My lord,
Now the
my lord.
question, Mr. Majumdar, the question will come.
my lord,
Even though if they have voluntarily resigned from the party
my lord,
and has not joined any other party,
my
whether
lord.
the defection is complete or not.
My lord, my lord,
That's the
my
whole
lord,
Whether the
complete
defection,
number.
it's
Absolutely.
anti-defection law. So
My
there
lord,
must be a defection. He may resign from the party and remain independent.
Yes.
No, my lord,
Unattached.
my lord, may I just say, submit one thing? They have submitted an application saying that we are resigning from our primary membership of this party and we have merged with
We are
NCP.
joining the other party.
Not
But
joining, my lord,
actually-
they have said they have merged with that party. That is the specific
Now
statement.
let us
That
see. That is
my
the
lord.
fact. That is the fact. That is
My
the
lord.
fact.
Lordship may kindly transfer it to Guwahati, my lord, we'll thresh it out at Guwahati. Lordship will thresh it out at Guwahati. Next week, any date, my lord.
Lordship, again, once again,
I don't have anything to say, my lord.
because
Yeah.
we are
My lord,
learning from them.
My lord,
This
election
bar is-
commission, my lord, election
Now-
commission has
No,
got nothing to
no,
do in
no,
this
no, no,
case.
On the lighter side, just
I'm,
saying that
I'm objecting from
we-
bar
we-
side.
on the lighter side, we invite you to Guwahati. Now the atmosphere is not so bad, though not like Itanagar. but not bad. Come on Guwahati on that.
Yes, yes, my lord.
We'll hear you on that day.
Lordship, I'm concerned about juniors. They are learning from seniors.
No, don't doubt about that. But,
And
then
Supreme Court order, we have to honor, my lord.
I think that's,
There's the whole thing. Otherwise, the Supreme Court has requested the court of
My lord, my lord.
that.
And we have been asked to cooperate. We are cooperating. Well, I'm ready to do it. So, Lordship, may kindly transfer it to Guwahati. Let my learned friend come there.
Lordship,
So-
I'm repealing responding number one, Lordship. So for transfer is concerned, that also I have objection.
Number one.
One, Lordship. That's
Why
deputy
not?
commissioner.
he's a state, that's why.
Here, Lordship,
Who is the respondent number one?
deputy commissioner.
Actually, what has happened?
Deputy Commissioner.
Yes, what is,
It already passed the order. What-
Here,
Yes,
Lordship,
yes, my lord.
it is not the case, Lordship. DB is not here, Lordship. DB is here, Lordship.
No, no doubt about that.
what?
My lord, next
Oh,
two is.
sir,
And
my lord, next-
regularly DB is here, Lordship.
My lord,
Only
next two
with
is
due
DB
respect to
cannot
the
take up the
senior
matter.
counsel, Lordship.
My lord, next two is DB cannot take up the matter. Justice Surana is sitting, my lord.
Okay. The present writ appeal is filed, being agreed with the order dated 30th of May 2024 passed by the learned single judge. And writ petition number 211/2024 whereby the learned single judge has refused to interfere with the decision of the
Deputy Commissioner.
Who is the deputy commissioner? Deputy Commissioner Lower, Subansiri District.
My lord. Page 89 is the order, my lord.
Just a. Declaring the respondents by declaring the appellants as disqualified to hold the post of members of the
Jila Parishad, my lord.
Jila
members of
Parishad.
the Zilla Parishad.
My lord.
Stop. This court, while issue the division bench of this court while issuing, the coordinate bench of this court while issuing notices to the respondents have stayed the effect and operation of the impugned judgment. Wide order dated
Order dated. 14/5/24.
14/5.
14/5/24.
2024.
14/5/2024.
My lord.
The respondent, who responded, who has filed the SLP?
SMA, we have filed, my lord.
You are the respondent in
My
this. The
appeal.
respondent number?
Respondent number 3.
The respondent number 3 herein has filed a special leave petition before the Honorable Supreme Court challenging the interim order passed by this court. Passed by the division bench on 13/6/2024. However, the Supreme Court has not interfered with the interim order, interim orders, but has requested the High Court to decide the writ appeal, this writ appeal at the earliest preferably within a period of 2 months from the date of production of copy of the order. Full stop.
My lord.
It is informed that the copy of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on
16/7/24, my lord.
16/7/2024 was produced before this court on 29th of July 2024.
My lord.
As such, the 2 months' time is to be expired on 29th of April,
No,
29th
29th
of
of-
September 2024. Stop. Then it counsel Mr. D. Das, senior counsel Mr. D. Das appearing for
the appellant.
appealing for the appellants.
Yes.
Appellants has submitted that he has been engaged today only and required to prepare the matter. Stop. Mr. D. Majumdar, appearing for the respondent number 3 herein, has submitted that the matter may be fixed at an early date and has also requested that since the counsel for the appellant and the counsel for the respondent number 3 are from Guwahati, the
Guwahati.
matter may be fixed at principal seat of this court at Guwahati. Mr. D. Das is also in agreement with the is also has not opposed the request made by the learned counsel, Mr. Majumdar. However, the counsel appearing for the other respondents has opposed this request and has argued that since the division bench is available here, the matter may be fixed. The matter may be heard in at Itanagar bench only. Would stop. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and taking into consideration the fact that the Supreme Court has requested
After 38th of this month, I
Mr.
think 2
Suresh.
weeks once, thereafter, my lord, some, so 29 is a date. So what I
Sir,
feel. that
next
it
week,
can
Lordship
be-
may kindly
No,
transfer it to
I'm
Guwahati
sorry,
next.
the next week it can be
problem is-
fixed.
The problem is that before 29th, now it can't be disposed of.
So it is a matter of one day Thereafter,
Okay, but it can't be disposed of because Mr. Surana is
No.
likely to sit here at Itanagar from 13. From
from
13
two, I
to
think
2 weeks.
2 weeks
2
only.
weeks.
It will expire on 29, I think. Like 2 weeks. So thereafter, some other bench will come. What they are saying, my lord,
My lord,
for
there is
us,
urgency in the matter.
okay,
Why should we wait for
they are
the
saying
third
that
week,
they
my
are
lord?
from here.
My lord,
learned
both the
friend
parties
Tapin is
are from
also here.
Guwahati.
Has requested to dispose of the present rate appeal within a period of 2 months. And as per the schedule, the learned single judge who has passed the impugned order is supposed to hold the court at Itanagar bench from 13th, 16th of September 2024 for further 2 weeks. It would be difficult to get the appeal listed before, get this appeal listed before 29th and 29th of September, and to get it disposed of, we deem it appropriate to direct the registry to transfer this writ appeal to the principal seat at Guwahati High Court and list it before the appropriate bench on
18th, my lord, or 19th. 19th is a Thursday, my lord. Nineteenth is a Thursday, subject to your lordship's consideration.
24th of September.
24th, I put some
only-
difficult. My lord, 24th, I have
24th,
put some
there
difficult.
is one difficulty, my learned friend also.
19th, my lord, 19th is a Thursday, my lord.
The hearing day, 24th of December is the hearing day.
Okay,
My lord, 24th, I will
so
be,
my lord, there is no problem. If Pawan is there, he will handle the case there.
my lord, let
My
it be
lord,
26th.
I am here,
let
he is
it-
also here, Pawan Tiwari is also here. On 24th, there is a matter which has been fixed by this court.
We'll list it.
Only
here.
I just-
24th, so then the bench may not be available.
My
for
lord,
hearing
lordship
this
may,
appeal.
No, your
Problem
lordship will
has
take
been-
up this
lordship may
matter
kindly fix
there,
it on
no
19th, my
problem.
lord.
Yeah.
But I am praying for 19th, my lord. Lordship may
19th,
kindly fix it,
There
my
is
lord.
some difficulty, sir. 19th may bench may
Then-
not be available there.
So can it be on 25th? It is not inconvenient.
Yes, my lord. 26th, my lord. 25th, there is a,
23rd, 23rd,
my lord, yes.
23rd.
Yes, ma'am.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue. There is an interim order.
Is it limited?
No, interim, yes, till today.
Interim order if any to continue next. On
Deeply obliged.
23rd, even on 23rd of September, with the understanding that the matter will be heard finally. on
My
that
lord.
day.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Sorry, sir, the bench is not available, that's why only, otherwise I would have considered to your request, but. Yes,
Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged.
notice of respondent number 6
May I please, Lordship? Yes, Lordship, respondent number 2 to 5, they have filed their affidavit. 6 is yet to file their affidavit.
still awaited, service
Yes.
is not complete.
So, my lord, I may allow to take fresh statement, Lordship. Yes, respondent-
Await, we will await for 2 more weeks.
Yes.
Await return of
Yes.
notice of respondent number 6 for 2 more weeks. Yes.
my lord. Much obliged.
Yeah,
May I please, my lord? My lord, I'm challenging the order dated 24/11/2020, my lord.
yes.
Then if you know, my lord will find at page number,
The next single judges come to the conclusion that as per rule 9(2)(b) of the CC expansion rules, no inquiry can be initiated in relation to an incident
my lord,
took place 4 years back,
my lord.
prior to 4 years.
My lord, here, my lord, we are not agree with the or the way the pension has been, the service gratuity has been given to the
Then
respondent, my lord. But we are on agree only on the point that, my lord, since there was a criminal inquiry pending, my lord, and the FIR was filed against this respondent, my lord.
how?
That part alone, my lord.
So how this departmental proceedings and against the present petitioner,
No,
police
ma'am.
investigation, how?
No, my lord, there was no any departmental inquiry, my lord.
No department.
No, no.
Only the police investigation.
Yes, my lord, there was a police investigation and we have filed a regular.
Yes.
My
Police
lord-
investigation, there is the question of 4 years there. If a cognizable offense is there, can be taken.
My lord, it includes, my lord, judicial proceeding as well.
Judicial proceedings, what do you mean by, read the provision that.
My lord, judicial proceeding, my lord. My lord, rule 9, clause, sub rule 6, clause B, my lord. CCS rule, pension rule.
Pension rules,
Yes, my lord, pension rules 1972.
rule,
Rule 9, my lord, sub rule 6. Sub rule 6, B, my lord, clause B,
rule 9,
sub rule 6. Clause B, my lord. Judicial proceeding shall be deemed to be instituted in case of criminal proceeding on that on which the complaint.
where the pension rules 1972, at what page? Why don't you open it? Where the pension rules?
CCS pension. Yeah, no comparison. It's in CCS and combined, man.
This
CCS,
book is this. Point out where is that?
One.
Is it nine? Rule
Yes,
9,
Rule 9, yes.
sub rule 6.
Sub rule 6, man. It's relevant.
Yes, for the purpose of.
Yes.
Yes, for the purpose of this rule, department proceedings shall be deemed to be instituted a statement of charges issued against the or if the government.
B, man.
Judicial proceedings on the case of criminal proceedings on the date. Is also instead take cognizance is made out. In the case of civil proceedings. Yeah. Which rule you are referring to?
My lord, in this case, even a
9(2)(b), read 9(2)(b).
9(2)(b), my lord. Now, 9(2)(b), my lord, next extension, my lord, will see sub rule 4, my lord.
Read 9(2)(b) first.
My lord, departmental proceeding referred to in sub rule 1. If,
Now, it refers only departmental proceedings. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Is instituted with the government service before or during retirement shall not. The saver sanctioners shall not be in respect of any event which took place more than 4 years before such institution. That's right.
My lord. Now,
Departmental inquiry can't be instituted for that purpose, yes?
yes,
right?
yes. My lord, coming to the rule, sub rule 4, my lord.
4, yes.
In case of government servant who has retired on attaining the age of superannuation or otherwise, or against whom any departmental or judicial proceeding are instituted, or are departmental proceeding are continued under sub rule 2, my lord. A provisional pension as provided in so shall be sanctioned, my lord. Now,
Right.
now that part, my lord, judicial proceeding, my lord, judicial, it's criminal proceeding, my lord. Criminal proceeding was not pending, my lord, within the period of
Rule 2(b) speaks only about departmental proceedings, not about the criminal proceedings.
my lord.
So,
My lord,
in that case, judicial proceedings shall be deemed to be instituted. That is altogether different thing.
my lord,
Yes.
my lord, this, the present that they are alleging that the investigation is going, my lord. This is pursuant to the recommendation made by the authority, my lord. But the first initially, my lord, the inquiry was conducted by the deputy commissioner, my lord. They have clearly stated there's nothing any incriminating material and nothing any prima facie case established against the petitioner. Thereafter, my lord, the vigilance they have also conducted inquiry, my lord. At page, my lord, even inquiry report, their clearance report have submitted at page 97, my lord, wherein say that during that inquiry, nothing any incriminating material against the petitioner has been found.
That's another thing.
But thereafter, my
In view of rule 9(2)(b) of the CCS pension rules, any proceedings initiated on criminal side can be set aside only on the ground that it has been instituted after 4 years, after 4 years of the incident or whatever the conduct of the incumbent is.
my lord, this 4 years, my lord, the entire inquiry initiated, my lord, after the lapses of 5 years, my lord. My lord, even that after retirement, my lord. My lord, only just this, just similar, my lord, situation, my lord, I just realized, my lord, that the single bench has realized, my lord. There's some relevant.
2016 9.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
Matlab, it start from I'll start para 16, my lord. Just
16, yeah.
para 16, my lord. As the legal issue was in both the writ petition, so and so, my lord, so and so, so and so. Issue first, my lord, arms, so and so, and so, and so, and so, my lord. They were held together and disposed of so and so. The learned single bench by the common judgment in order that the learned single bench held that memorandum charges in the both cases make it clear that the initiation of the disciplinary proceeding against the appellant by the disciplinary authority of the alleged incident took place more than 10 years earlier was barred by the limitation as provided under Rule 9
And this is
2B.
what the controversy is, yes,
My lord,
what the court has held.
my lord, 18, my lord, again. 17,
18,
17, 18, 17, para 17, 18, my lord.
fine.
Basing on this, my lord, this issue, my lord, the issue we are framed, my lord, at page para 31, my lord.
31,
Yes.
yes.
We have heard the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the,
Judgment or order passed by so and so in the light of the judgment were initiated more than disciplinary procedure, whether the improved judgment erroneous or initiated, or what order? Yes,
yes. Thereafter, my lord, the 34, my lord.
right of prisoner
That's
to
it.
draw pension. A provisional of the makes it clear the disciplinary procedure are not instituted is happened by discipline while he was in service, then prior to the sanction of the required to be instituted. It is also clear the suspension took place more than 4 years. There no doubt. Yes.
My lord, para 20,
Sir, the question
37.
is
My lord, only,
criminal proceedings,
Yes.
disciplinary proceedings, both are different.
my lord, that is why, my lord, in that case, my lord, here, the sub rule 6, my lord, B, my lord, it's talk about the criminal proceeding as well, my lord.
Yes,
The,
you are
the criminal proceeding, madam, age on that, madam, before, if the cognizance, it has been taken prior to the, my understanding was prior to the 4 years, madam, prior to the, within the 4 years of the incident, madam, alleged incident, then no doubt, madam, this proceeding can be taken. Now they are, what they are doing, they are seeking of instituting, madam. Again, despite of this, all the inquiry, previous other departmental inquiry, despite of having conducted, my lord, they are doing, that's the matter,
That is admitted issue. That's all.
my lord.
Thank you. Argument, sir. Judgment reserved.